Abushafo na ye chacha obi biara esanso ema ahwefo etiefo adofo Ghanafo nyina ye obi biara akwa aba edi eba Attention TV so your most inspirational YouTube channel. What's my better and from almost Abria? They are bra me representing me Equia Enchua Ebra made the trending news and as a trending story in Sema Equitri Eba Brema or mine Ghana Yakuji a digun crata some messages and more Amasha Fonso when ye call and any Eba or mine in Ghana Jebre. I mean Papa and Simonomo and Fa Emam. Say it's been some time now yes sister Tracey Boakye we feel social media enya asem keto na me ka Tracey Boakye nyina ni Tracey Boakye baba wa kama ababa wa so no bia oyi sini anaso otwa sini e wo man Ghana mo wagidin ye pa e wo sini twa edwuma ni mo na it's been some time now na amanfo hwehwe Tracey Boakye because she's an outspoken lady abrina bibia wonsa or social media no ye video na in fact and some bebre eba fa no ho for some time now but the emre bia ba ye see say you ware ye am say she has been off social media na amanfo e de nsem utwi na amanfo kanse mo bo ni din wo no mudi na tenanso sister yi amma me kasa na so amma me reply ejebo eja anya ba bedo enen Tracey Boakye agranti first interview after marriage na the interview no mo the same bebre na en etudwa na yebakwa koti na so minti ho kakra emfa enye de emam Tracey Boakye nkase mo okasa fa ni kunu se ne kunu eya na omu twa sini ani kunu ne ema foforo na omu soso mu na ememia bi emunchi bi kokoso in fact enya asenkoto Tracey Boakye kirema ya na ya papa na nso obaye ne den oyewudi mu na yewudi obi abonte ayi obi adia osanso kan se nyankopon aye na adom ehu ne mobo ama enei onankasa e wonankasa ne movie production nya asenkoto in fact Tracey Boakye din sam bebre na ene di tujo yanko ne kote sema Tracey ene tujo ne bi
how I feel acting with my husband. When it comes to my job, I don't compromise. Yes, he's my husband. But we work, we leave that for some while. We don't leave it at home. Yeah, the cost says so. But then you try to work and make sure we concentrate and act. The word is act. After acting, we're back to normal and we're back to our love life. So acting with my husband sometimes is not easy, especially since that I'll be his house help or something. Nah, you know, a different lady being his wife, you know, that kind of feel. Yes, jealousy, but we're working and, you know, it's business. It's business. So we act, he kiss naturally, does everything because that is how it's supposed to be. And we were both acting and then we are married. It's not any role that, for instance, me, I can play. But for him, he got to do it because the money's coming to us. So I take it cool, I take it normal because at the end of the day, if you are, before my idea, no, I don't have any issue with any producer, any actor, actress, crew member, any Obiani. Obiani is very jovial, like many Obiaka. Oya madene hamia, I will tell you my mind at that spot. I will tell you near solve it. You bet me a solve it, I ever solve it. Yent me solve it na. Obi afani baby, but ye nyaka, me nyaka. Hello. Yes, so I don't have issue with anybody, not at all in the industry, not at all. Obia, madam. And then you know, say when you are young and parents bia one go school and do baby now say okay acting need those kind of things, are they gonna get mad at you? But I said I want to go to Ghana, I want to act. So it brought me back to Ghana. I started going for auditions, you know. That time, you know, me ba school kakra wa Ghana. Then, because school, me this will be your auditioner. Me na ma pick a number, no. Then I'll call and go for the audition. And surprisingly, no, directed bia me drew her bia, no. They're like, I'm using this girl. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. And, you know, encouraging me, Emma who said, then I can do it. Because baby, I made Drew piano. They loved my acting. And I looked up to Nanama Mcbrown. And you know, then I mean, I call auditioner. Me go to movie or womb. I'll be like, movie when Nanama won't be brave. I'm saying, okay, and then I'm into it. Then I'll watch her that very night. So the next morning when I go, I just give it out like that. Then surprisingly, one said lead character, supporting character. Na ye dia mama, na my year. My first lead character was Vera, which was 2012, and Yo Kumasi and who said Ghana Movie Award. Like, I've been nominated for Best Actress in the Lead Role. I'm like, I go for me. So actually, yes, they loved it. All the judges that watched the movie, nominated, they loved it. It was just Jackie, Nanama Mcbrown, myself, and I think Emilia. We were just 4. And so that was my first lead character movie, and it took me far. The producer of that movie was my husband's senior brother, Pepe. So Pepe was like, yes, I'm fine, I'm a person, yes, I'm moving. And it was challenging because they had other female artists that they wanted to use. But also, no, make me pay ya. They didn't know pay ya, no. My husband now, ex-girlfriend. And so he fought for me. Yes, so that will also tell you, but yeah, that's not where we are here. So Pepe fought for me, got me that role. I didn't disappoint them. I gave it out, and if me were feeling I'm a director, you know, Tracey, I think it's now why I won't produce movies. I'm like, maybe I need to. You know, so no, you can't. Why produce what dear? That was when I tried, and it was that same 2012. I mean 2012, sorry. And me producing the first movie, no. Me remember who said Ede. That time, no, ucha CD na ya tong ya do sika mount, you know, young girl aja me ya madi kakra. And I saw me them, and it has brought me here. So I started in 2012 with the movie producing. Me did 18, no. That was when I started acting for other producers. Me did 21, and I mean lead role which is Vera, and me until at the age of 21 which is 2012, and I started movie production by myself. So after the lead role movie, I started my own. So my first time I did camera see me so first movie, Cicera. That's the title of the movie, Cicera. Cicera by Opam Films. My first time ever. Opam, I greet you. Me who the audition keke. Ewo amo posti flyer wall paper. And I'm picking a number, no, I'm a friend.
I was a force up pepe and me amedi ssing ara energy cognitive macram.